Jamaica is being run with steady hands. Mark Golding was in Canada recently, and there's a clip of him going around explaining what is illicit enrichment. But because he was in a PMP friendly crowd, nobody was able to put the question to him. I said, Marky G, then how few assets go? I mean, we have seen where the Prime Minister was investigated for over 3 years. We have seen where the services of a forensic auditor was brought in. And we have wrapped up that investigation and there was nothing to write home about. So while we appreciate your explanation of illicit enrichment, which everybody know already, where is your assets? Why is it that you transfer ownership of your house and all the property into the name of your adult children? What is it that you're hiding? What is it that you're hiding? Marky G, are you willing to take responsibility for your part in the collapse of the financial sector in the 90s? Are you willing to apologize to Meshach Willis, to Lola Gray Baker? Are you willing to apologize to those persons that you robbed? Those are the questions that need to be put to Marky G. Marky G, sir, why are you investing $3 billion in low-income houses in the Bahamas when you run one of the least development constituency in Jamaica? Marky G, don't you think the people of Jamaica could use some low-income houses? These are just simple questions that if Marky G had gone in front of an intelligent crowd in Canada, these are the questions that they would have posed. But he went into some people that left Jamaica 30, 40 years ago and has not returned. He leave with some of the people that Michael Manley tell say 5 flights a day. Take one and go on. He go meet with some of the people who had to run away in the 90s. Those are the people we meet with and they never have a decency to question these things. You went to Florida and you promised the people that are on the international campaign to destroy the name of the country where you say you love. You're going to meet with them and promise them position. And I will tell you, let me tell you about the stupidity of these people. Well, I'll put it this way to you, alpha reasoning. Even if my name crashes, I am 100% sure my name for you. Okay, man, okay? Even if me do it, me 100% sure say me nah name for your catches. So, whoever catches me and I'm not nothing to do with you. And as I tell you so now, that's why I'm telling you, say PMP supporter, they don't say set of people on this face of this earth. Because if that's all you think that you can do against me, what you must do is come and tell me, say me I tell a lie upon your leader. That's what I want you to do. Don't come expose me business and me name crutches. But just come and say Chuck Finley I tell lie upon me leader and then prove to me say me I tell lie. That would have been a better time. Right? But as me say, not one of the people that he met with overseas was bright enough to question him and say, Marky G, tell me why you don't believe that the people of Jamaica deserve low-income houses. No, man, we no black them, man. Make them come, man. Yeah, black them, make them come. As the songwriter saying, if them a ball head run, them make them come. Right? Whatever them is, run them, make them come. Them can't stop we. As me say, what me challenge them for do all the while is to come and call me a liar. Yes, what? You know what he's saying? Come and couldn't call me a liar. As me say, Marky G is taking up $3 billion. $3 billion Jamaican dollar. Gonna invest in lower income houses in the Bahamas. Marky G has transferred all his assets outside of the Jamaican banking system. Marky G preside over one of the worst constituencies we have. Yes, all right, thank you, Mario. I'm glad you remind me of that one day. Marky G said he wants 2 more constituency added. And they must be in the diaspora. Now, people with sense work with me here. Members of parliament who win their constituency are responsible for maintaining the constituency. Road, light, water, infrastructure, creating opportunities for those people. Are you telling me that under PMP government, we are going to have Jamaica members of parliament in a foreign affairs road? I remember, I know, say, all of the people in the diaspora don't live one place. So we are going to be fixing road right across England, right across America, right across Canada. We are going to provide infrastructure for people right across Canada, right across America. Not one member of the people under the code could have tell him, say, but Marky G, that don't make sense. Super, what is it? Super Rich, you have a question. Sure, man, you ask me a question, you can ask, man. You can ask. But how would that work? How would that work? How would we get constituency in the diaspora? Who will vote? Where will these votes come from? How will we ensure that Jamaicans have vote? Nobody who was in that crowd could not ask that question. All right, thank you, Super. That is the simple question. How will it work? How will it work? But them, as me say, when he was in Canada, when he was in US, when he was in Florida, the questions have to be submitted overnight for them to be vetted and is prep. But at that, what? No, you have the address wrong, man. A 16 and a half Windward Road. And I know 16 and a half, 32 Windward Road it there, man. I think a 32 Windward Road it there. Right? Bellevue. Yeah, I know Bellevue. I think a 32 Windward Road, Bellevue there, man. That is the address. Me used to live there, I lived there for a couple of years. Well, at least I was their neighbor. Me used to go Vauxhall. Right? But those are the questions a smart audience. A 16, all right, Godson. These are the questions that a smart audience would ask. The Prime Minister was in New York. Nobody had to submit any questions for the Prime Minister to read. Nobody had to submit any questions. People come up and them ask them questions and they are answered. Thank you, Adrian Hendricks. We try our best to give information here, you know, so lead people in one direction. What is good for Jamaica? It just so happens that is the Jamaica Labour Party is good for Jamaica. Right? But those are the questions that should be asked. The Prime Minister, the present Prime Minister, had a business in St. Lucia. There was some nice make about it. The Prime Minister took responsibility, closed down his business in St. Lucia and moved it home. Yes. And it's because of that now, they are still trying to claim there's something wrong with him moving it home. They are still trying to find there's something wrong, you should move it home. Right, but my Prime Minister always leads from the front. And that is why he's unchallenged right now in the development of Jamaica. Never before have we had a program like Sparks. The program now that is being launched. The Sparks program is one of the greatest conceptualization of a program to benefit Jamaica we have seen in the last 40 years. We are not just going to fix the roads. We are going to prepare them for future development. We're not going to just lay some asphalt. We're going to run pipes under them too. And then after we fix them, we're going to put them on a maintenance schedule. So gone are the days when we are wait until the resident they go black road. And then we go fix it. Roads will now be on a maintenance schedule. So your road knows say 5 years time the road I need to go check. 7 years time the road, 10 years time the road there. You're welcome. Yeah man, Marky G did say that. But that is why, and that is why, you know why him said that? And then when him said that, he went and he signed over interest to him adult children. Because as according to the Integrity Commission that he set up, assets belonging to your adult children cannot be investigated. So, my take is that Andrew biggest son, that's 18 now, if I'm not 18 already. So if Andrew should get up tomorrow morning and transfer all his assets to his 18-year-old, me, as a Labour Party supporter, would find that very suspicious. If Dr. Andrew Michael Holness get up tomorrow morning and transfer all his assets to his adult children, I would find that move very suspicious. What you mean that's one bro God? So how is it that the comrades don't find it suspicious that Mark Golding transfer all of his assets to his adult children? How is it that Mark Golding are going to tell people say, I don't own the house I live in. I only own the shares in it. And the reporter said, thank you, Mr. Golding, and run gone. There is absolutely no comparison between Mark Golding and Andrew Holness. Mark Golding get rich on the back of Jamaicans that committed suicide because they lose them assets. Mark Golding get rich on the back of people like Meshack Willis, Lola Gray Baker, all those businesses that collapsed in the 90s. He was there. And me call him name, you know, because me want one of them there, then turn up at me yard and tell me, say, I sue me, you know. Me and him go hash out if I lie, me I tell upon him. If I lie, me I tell upon him that he was one of the main beneficiary of the fins at the back. If I lie, me I tell upon him, I could go in the court, go figure it out.
Auto power off. TV will turn off automatically. Please select OK to keep TV turned on.
No, you
Left
can't.
60 seconds. Okay, button.
You can turn off if you want. So, you know, so my TV modern TV, me having. My TV just tell me say it want turn off.
40 seconds.
Start the workout. Hold on. Yeah, man. That's one of the thing, you know, Godson. That's one of the thing. And it's not that I am against people who are in the Jamaica Labour Party to a high standard. Use a rule of the measure one and a piece of stick to measure the other. If we set this standard for our leader, it have to go for everybody. If we set this standard for a political party, it have to go for everybody. And if we set yes standard for a government, it have to go for all governments. If we had the same standard across the board, there is no way Angela Brown Burke could have got parliament go say the road in our constituency were punking a growing there, a government fault. And people take her serious. No way that could happen. But the PMP and them supporters are so confident that they're judged by a different standard that they can sing all sort of bullshit and nobody question it. They are judged by a different standard that while they put up a two-time convicted criminal to run, the Jamaica Labour Party put up a lady that made a clerical error, and the civic groups are concerned about the lady but are quiet on the two-time felon. If we were judged by the same standard, the PMP couldn't have a bunch of criminal and parade at their conference. But when Ruel Reid turned up at a party event, the civic groups were concerned. That is the problem with these people, Godson. Them keep wanting the JLP to walk on water, while the PMP is allowed to thief the water. And these so-called media houses keep giving them a voice, keep giving them space, even when them knows that, well look at me, the media house, them not corrupt themselves. The media house, them not corrupt themselves, them not much better. Them not much better, them corrupt same way. So as them would have said, no better hearing, no better buying. That are them concern. That is them concern. Right? That is them concern that we have somebody that Paul Patmore who sit down. I was on Paul Patmore TikTok page a couple weeks ago. And him charge to me was that if the Jamaica Labour Party think they can win Trelawney, call the election. Because him ready. Well, the Jamaica Labour Party call the election. Me not see Patmore on the ballot. They might hide behind some independent people. But they have to push out them head. The People's National Party in the last year has commissioned no less than 10 polls. And has gone to every single one. Oh, has gone to every single one. They are leading the Jamaica Labour Party by a mile. But yet, they are afraid to contest by elections that they demand be called. Willie Will, we call 2 elections and not turn up. We call 2 elections and not turn up. So I understand how you come now. Let me tell you, no, some my time, even, you know, the stupidity of the leader rubber found, you know. Well, Willie, come back, Willie. May you have a talk, Willie. Willie, may I make you earn some credit today? When you go back, I go tell them, say, you come and Chuck live and Chuck change the subject. Come back, Willie. Me you talk. I want you to tell me what gonna happen if me leader call the election. Come Willie, come tell me what gonna happen. Where Willie? Come back to Willie, man. Where Willie gone, man? Where Willie gone? Can't give us a chance. Then Willie, what is gonna happen when my leader call the election? What gonna happen? But let me change the question to Willie. Willie, different question to you. Why are you supporting the People's National Party? Why are you a supporter of the People's National Party? You say it won't give us a chance. So you, by definition of that statement, you are a supporter. Why are you a supporter of the People's National Party, Willie? Me willing for waste the time for you, Willie. Come, answer that question for me. Let us reason as two big man. We may differ politically, but we can still reason. What him say? Me not see what him say. Me not see what him say. Which part him say? Right? Come, Willie. Tell us why. Why are you a supporter of the People's National Party? Is it because you can go down to the parish council and get an envelope? Or is it because you think the party is good for Jamaica? And if you think it is good for Jamaica, tell me, prove to me where the PMP has ever been good for Jamaica. Prove to me. Just, well, we need that. Me can't bother with, that's why me can't bother with comrade, because them can't answer two questions. So me can't bother with them. Can't answer two simple questions. And can't answer two easy question and then can't answer it. I run chat. I have to answer this call for a minute.
Okay, so yeah.
Chuck still no fix that something here where we have to press the screen and all that boy. Oh Lord. Lashika, you say the man go up nationwide go say he might represent the PNP. Willie, come up in the box, Willie. Please, come up in the box.
Yeah,
Come on,
Mario.
have a
Yeah.
discussion with you. More have a discussion with you, Willie. Come up in the box.
Man, bring up Willie, man. Bring up Willie.
You don't know this him around him like how they deal with me this morning on the PMP live. Willie, come up, Willie.
Come up, Willie. See that Willie, you have been invited up to have a chat.
Come in, Willie. Me and you go reason, my boss.
What is it about Michael?
You say Michael is best prime minister ever. More thing come up.
Then come prove it to me, say Michael is the best prime minister ever. Come, Willie, come with debate. Me say the best prime minister is a tie between Bruce and that tie between Eddie and Andrew.
Me say Lashika, I want buck blood to Sydney. Me say any live Sydney ever come pan. Me I go beg the labor right person if make me be moderator just for the 1 second. I want buck Sydney. You see, sometime, you know. Sometime we hear them deal with people, you know. Not no, me are no Christian ass. Me, God forgive me, me love God and all of that. Me believe in the Bible and all of that and all of them someday. But me I tell you say, sometimes when it come right then talk and you and them go at it and then sometimes if you ever see them in a person and you buck them, when you done mash up them blood cleat, you go sorry. Me say I want buck Sydney more and see Sydney come for one other life. Yeah. I swear to God.
Hold on, Mario, please. Do me a favor, Mario. Yeah. Sydney.
Yes. Omar can't tell you.
It's good time for Sydney.
The man disgusting, the man six come up.
Chuck, what a way the Prime Minister out of St. Thomas. I mean, if somebody come by the man like what that be a crap, you know, them people are boring, you know. You see me a dealing? Sydney, I will let the one, will let our 20 back call. Them fully.
No rush him. More and thing come up in the back. Smart nation.
Mario, you sure sir Andrew is great. The man has been at university out of St. Thomas. Me can't believe.
Me never want you mute him. Me never want you mute him, Chica.
Chuck, don't mute him, Chuck. I mean, I say.
Hold on, the Mark. Hold on. Mark, your background nice. Very nice out of your background.
And your phone low, Chuck.
My phone low? Oh,
Yeah.
hold on. Fix that. Should be better now. You better now?
Yeah, man.
Alright. William White I go mention something about 28 bank account.
Will you forget say 30 and you only something one this morning and one just a while ago, so 30 bank account here.
Yeah, let me go unmute Willie. I want Willie come back. Hold on, Sheik. I go unmute Willie. I want Willie come back. Because I want Willie tell me where is it illegal to have multiple bank account. Me also want Willie to tell me where in any report or investigation that is done of the Prime Minister, it says that the Prime Minister misappropriate $1 single of public funds.
But remember them I get $10 million and then can't tell we, so me no know.
Right? Me want Willie to tell me. Come back, Willie. Willie, you get unmute. You can come back. I want you to tell me what is wrong with the back. You see, Willie, when you just start, but the thing say you were somebody what me could have hold a reason with. But I remember a couple weeks ago, one serious big man come and tell me that anybody here what talk about bank account, a jingbag PMP them there. Him say nobody serious with sense. Don't take the bank account argument serious. So the fact say you are come with it, tell me say, you know how much sense. Can you imagine somebody come on a live and make noise and complain that somebody never knows so they hear them because they know hang up.
God.
Listen to me. Some of you people, me have too much people that send me requests who not know. Thank you people. If you don't know where the request box is, stop pressing it. If you don't want to come up and make a contribution. I welcome new persons. So when I say new somebody, I will always accept. But if you don't want to come up and make a contribution, do not press the box. Okay? Do not press the box if you don't want to come and make a contribution. Nathan Stevens, that name?
Mm-hmm. In the panty time.
I look so, all right, I will tap him down. We welcome discussion with new persons. And Willie will, anytime you want to come back, just come back. Because you don't believe say your argument. Marvet. We not hear Marvet either. Mark.
Yes, Chuck.
Very nice.
And blow, may I jump up and come on back, Chuck?
She
How much is the grant now?
I think it's 150,000.
Wow.
$150,000.
150,000. But hear this. Hear this. That is why me glad for you come up in the box. And you maybe say you know I'm not for say, but you have a lot for say. And you educate me. Yeah, whether you believe it, yes or no. Hear me now. These people are telling me the other day, so them go up on the NIS place, up at the office. And them are tell them, say, them father already get $50,000. So me I say, how can you use that a funeral grant without your death before you're dead? I don't understand that. Where
I
things
know
go
them are
that-
lie or them not carry the right information to the people them. Because say the prime minister is very strict on transparency. So nobody feel say you go try this and try that to get it. You have to carry the proper document. But my thing
Yes,
is
like
that
the death
a lot of
certificate.
people don't know, and the funeral homes are maybe seeing those people who are having issues, and I say that they should utilize it. So I'm saying a lot of people don't know. So I'm saying that you guys could probably mention it a bit more on the live.
Yeah, and that is why you come in now, because you are mentioning it, and that is good. So when me ask the next question, can somebody who will never pay NIS in them life qualify for that funeral grant?
No, I don't think so. Let me be honest. I'm not 100% sure if it goes to anybody. But I guess most people in our life, especially the elders, do that at some point in their life.
Yeah, well, I know about the funeral grant because, as I say, I did get some funeral grant money from when my mother died in 2016.
No, the new one now is 150 grand.
150, yeah. That person there and the funeral that cost them 200,000, so them get 150,000 from one place. I mean, it did goes a far way. So
Exactly.
I really happy for this information, so I can jump on it.
Yeah, man. Put it home a little bit more. So they should go there instead of, walk on the side and can bury them dead. And I go to the agency that is not responsible for it.
Okay.
Anyway, may I jump out and go and tap a screen?
All right, Princess, pick up yourself. Your come information.
One little information, but for me page.
All right. Who must send the information on the page?
The house.
Delroy,
What
that's
else?
a Delroy.
Delroy.
What someone must do?
I said you can
must send that information.
Okay. All right. Let me do it.
Yeah, man. And remember, for follow me, follow one another.
follow me and me get to follow you.